So hello everybody, the call is getting recorded now, and this is the second specialized training session for the management internship. The management internship means these 5 internship. Let me share you the screen with us. So if you go to modules and tasks, you can see the screen. So these are the 5 internship that the management internship means, which is HR internship, climate change and sustainable development, marketing analyst, case study analysis, and project management infra. So if you are doing these 5, then you are in management internship. So let us discuss by one. But before we will discuss, right? Before we start discussing about one by one, I want to take queries from you guys, right? Okay, so let's take the queries of HR internship first. Okay. Let me open the HR internship modules and tasks. All right. So this was the smart task one. Now, anyone who have done HR intern, who are doing HR internship, do you have any doubt, any questions related to smart task one? The smart task one is related to basics of HR management, how HR management is important to an organization where there is no HR department. And if there is an HR department, what should be your role in that HR department? But where you can contribute. So anybody have any doubt, questions related to that? Akanksha?
No, sir. Sir, actually, I have not attended the previous session,
Hmm.
specialized training session. So
Yeah,
I want the video, recorded video that.
yeah, we recorded the video, but there is no audio in that video. And I don't know why that happened. So we are not able to record properly, but we will do.
Sir, that
Yeah, one second, no, Akanksha, don't worry. So we will do a module one session for the 15 July group. We will definitely record that video, and when we record that video, we will definitely share it with you.
yes, sir. But I want to start working on my smart task too as early as possible because the date
No,
of submission is
so
I think
today
25.
today is Smart Task 2, right? So Smart Task 2, what you need to do in Smart Task 2, we are gonna discuss right now.
Okay, sir. So, sir, previous video was session or
No, the video was not
it's
recorded
related to
properly.
smart task one.
Yeah, it is related to Smart Task 1, but it was not recorded properly. Okay.
Oh,
So, but
okay, sir.
anyway, we will do something for that.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else have any other doubt? किसी को भी कोई डाउट हुआ एचआर
Hello,
मैनेजमेंट?
sir.
यस,
Hello, sir. The
यस।
second task.
मैं स्मार्ट टास्क 1 का पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या डाउट था तुम्हें?
Hello, sir.
हम्म।
Sir, I didn't get means how to solve the task number one, sir. Actually, I was unable to attend your first session.
हम्म।
So please, can you give a brief information about the task one module?
हम्म। अच्छा, सबके साथ अगर यही प्रॉब्लम है तो लेट मी डू दैट फर्स्ट. ऑलराइट.
Sir, I want to ask that that specialized training program, that session one was for Smart Task one,
Yes.
or it was for Smart. Okay, sir. So, sir, I have already submitted my Smart Task one.
Good. Okay, so for those who missed the first session, and since we don't have a recording, right, so let me briefly in 5 minutes let me tell you that what happened in that first session. Okay. And since we are recording this call also, so okay, so first session we told everybody that the only two deliverables you have from BCE. The first is the offer letter request form. Offer letter you have, not offer letter request. First is offer letter, and second thing you get a internship info sheet where it is written, right? Internship info sheet. So in this internship info sheet you get, and you need to do step by step manner. So welcome to internship. Watch this internship startup video. It's a 10 minutes video, very simple. You can watch. Join the Telegram group. Go through the frequently asked questions. Create an account on online training portal, and take the courses related to your project. Please listen to the audio recording of the orientation session, HR session. These are the orientation happened before. It's a recorded session. Okay, payment link for the admin benefit and all. Now, a lot of people ask, sir, if we have already chosen some project, and if we want to change the project name, or if we want to change the dates of internship, what to do? So there is offer letter correction form. Please fill this offer letter correction form, and we will do the changes in the offer letter, right? And then since you are a management internship, click here, and the management internship part will open. Okay, let me click here. So when you click, the management internship part will open like this. So whatever your internship is, like HR management, you click here, take the course, and start learning. Right? All the lessons are in one video, so it is easier. Watch the one video and go through. So apart from that, in this info sheet, there is modules and task folder. When you click on the modules and task folder like this, it will be open like this, modules and tasks. Go to the modules and tasks, and then there is other management internship. Go to that, and then there are all the internship programs are there. Suppose you are doing HR internship, click on that. Read me first. Read first what is there in that, like where to submit and all. It's like small page, basic instructions, and then go to the modules and tasks of HR internship. In this modules and tasks, there are first three smart tasks are there. The first three modules. When you finish all these three modules, once you completed all these three tasks, then you need to complete the internship completion formalities. Please check the other sheet in this folder. Right. So a lot of people argue, sir, module task 4 read it, you can find it. So when you find this internship completion, when you click that, then the completion formalities will is that the instructions, and sorry, the instructions is there, and the preparation of corporate standard report. All the formats are written. And for HR internship, which topic you need to choose the internship report? Take the topic from module 2. In module 2, there are 3 topics. You can take one topic and do the internship completion report. And you can put all the learnings also related to this internship. Okay. How to make this report and all? This is module 4 specialized training that we will do later on. But overall process I make you. Then I explained about what to do in module 1. In that what to do in module 1. So this is module 1, right? In this module, the motto of this module 1 is, and there are so many learning references also. You watch these videos and all, right? And try to understand what is the objective of this internship. So in module 1, so a lot of people ask, sir, ये तो थोड़ा assignment जैसा लग रहा है, it look like assignment. But try to understand this. If you joined a company and there is a HR manager sitting in a office, and you go to their cabin and ask, sir, can you please give me task? I'm a new intern here. So how he or she will give you a task? बोलेंगे by post भेज देंगे तुम्हारे घर पे. No, right? She will say, okay, I want you to go and Google search and find out something, this, that, make a small 2-3 pager, 4 pager report on that and send it to me. They will give tasks like that. And that time you note down in your copy. Or you can say that, sir, ma'am, can you please send an email related to that, so that it will be formally accepted. Okay. So since it is a online internship, you are not in the office. Okay, so we have written down those tasks and send it to you like this. You need to go through it, go on Google, go on YouTube, go on Investopedia, go on any other thing, and try to gain knowledge, and then answer these questions in your words. So with a proper understanding, not to just answer this question कि वहां से छाप लिया and take the copy from the friends and this that, because that is not going to help you. So that is the motto of this task, and this is the same thing we need to do for all other intangibles, the HR, project management, marketing, every. To help you to do this task, we already uploaded some videos, right, in our thing. Like suppose you go to marketing, you can see that there are few videos uploaded in all the things. You go to case study analysis, there might be one video, but other videos already shown, right? Simple. Okay. Now prepare the first module, submit it to us. How to submit is already mentioned. You need to submit through task submission window. Now let's discuss about the module 2, what we are supposed to discuss in this today's thing. Okay, whatever I explained right now, anybody have any doubt, any questions?
Sir,
Yes, Goni?
good evening, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, do we have any word limit for our Smart Task 1?
There is no word limit, but try to answer every question in less than 500 words.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Any other question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shiva, Sheikh and Shiva को बोलने दो.
Sir, you have said that the project work title we have to select it from module 2, sir. So, sir, I am a bit confused about that, sir. Can you explain in details?
नहीं तो वो मॉड्यूल 4 का जब तुम will be take a module 4 session, then I will explain you. First we will explain module 2 right now.
Okay.
मॉड्यूल 2 में प्रोजेक्ट टाइटल्स है, वी नीड टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन एचआर इंटर्नशिप ओनली. अदर इंटर्नशिप का प्रोजेक्ट टाइटल उनके इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीशन फॉर्मेटिव में मिल जाएगा. एचआर के लिए मैंने बोला है. नाउ यू गेट दैट?
सर मार्केटिंग.
यस.
हेलो सर.
मार्केटिंग के
यार मार्केटिंग बोल के आगे बोलोगे कुछ, या फिर जस्ट यू जस्ट नीड टू से मार्केटिंग?
No, sir. Actually, network issue was for marketing. Which task is there, sir? Marketing tool.
Which task means? The task is there in the marketing folder.
Yes, sir. I have seen, but I was not understanding, and also I have the part.
ये मार्केटिंग एनालिसिस का टास्क है. यू ओपन द टास्क मॉड्यूल्स एंड टास्क. ओके, नाउ it opened already. Okay, have you watched the first video of marketing analysis?
Yes, sir. YouTube video, but there were several videos were there, so I have attended one video in which.
तुमने वो have you watched the video that we have uploaded on the online training portal?
No, sir.
Why you didn't watch? Then what is the point of uploading that video? When have you taken this marketing
Sir,
analysis? One second. Have you taken this marketing analysis course or not? Here. Have you taken this course?
Yes.
So when you take
Yes.
this course, there are in all the modules there are videos, right? First is enhancing corporate communication. There is one video here. Have you watched this video?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, this video I have bought on YouTube, sir. What is mean by marketing and all that?
वो that is a reference video. That is this video already prepared for by VC for you.
Okay,
तुमने
okay.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ श्रेयस, have you taken this course and you never bothered to go through what is in the lessons, right?
Sir, actually I was having a doubt, so that for that only मैंने जो
नहीं,
coordinator
Shreyash, I
sir
understand you have a
contact.
doubt, but see, try to understand, right? My question is, if you have
Yes, sir.
taken a course, right, and there are lessons inside the course, you can click that, right? At least you can click to see what is there. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, try to understand, right? All of you guys are doing graduation in professional studies. When I was in my BTech, the second year, third year, that time the internet is not very good. We have only internet lab. At that time also, if any company is coming, if any link we get, if anything we get, we click on that link, we go through everything inside, down, right, left, center, anything, we'll get to gather the information. Yeah. We never left any stone unturned. And this is not only for Shreyans. I know there are a lot of other people who have taken the course and they never bothered to open these lessons. Okay, so so please go through these lessons, right? Whatever is there,
Yes,
go
sir.
through this. Or then there is
I will
learning
keep at
references
all
also is there.
PDF and
Anyway, next question, next doubt you have.
So,
Yes, Farouk.
sir, I've already completed my smart task of project management internship.
Good. First one, right?
No, all the smart tasks.
You already done good. Okay.
Yes. So, do I need to attend this session?
No, like it's up to you.
Sir, I had only one doubt regarding the final report. Can I ask it in this session or
Okay,
in
you
the
ask.
next session? So, we have to, project management students have should only do the project charter for the.
In the project charter, in the project final report. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the final report, you need to put the project charter, yes. But you need to also put whatever the learning you got in this internship.
Okay.
Because the purpose of making that report is not to show us. Sir, आपको, for view, I prepared this report and you check the report, that is for you. All of you guys
Okay,
making the final report for yourself. Like after 6 months, if you want to go through what you have done in this internship, you need to have a reference.
Okay, sir. So, it should be a detailed report, and the project charter is just a part of that report.
Yes. And detailed
Oh.
means there should be 15 to 30 pages because it's an internship, not your thesis, right?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Prasha, you send me a message. What is your? I also want to discuss only one aspect of case study analysis. I had
Yes,
completed.
sir.
Yeah, Prasha. Hi.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yes, sir. I wanted to discuss one point where we've studied three types of case studies. One is the success case study, one is the failure and case study, and the third one is the fraud case study. So when we write about our learnings, practical
It is
learnings
not
and
fraud. It is
management
scam.
scam case studies. So when we talk about scam case studies, what do we actually write under the management learnings and other learnings aspect?
Hmm. Okay, Prasha. First, tell me one thing. Is this a good idea to study the scam case studies or not?
Yes, so we should definitely know what are the loopholes of the structure and where all can people manage to uh,
Yes.
make a scam.
Yes. See, the only thing, I'm not saying learning, right? Scam say what people will learn, nothing, right?
Hmm.
But my point is, there is one thing that makes the scam a scam is not only they find a loophole in the system. Just imagine that if I find a loophole that you never talk with your parents, you talk with your parents only once in a week, right? So it is easier for me that I will go to the parents and say, sir, I am a friend of Prasha, and
Hmm.
can you please give me 1,000 rupees because she have taken me in the college. So, you give it.
Hmm.
So they will give me, right? Because they are only talking once in a week. But my
Right.
scam will only work for 1 week, right? Next week it will be exposed. Hmm?
Right.
But these people, they are not only able to do the scam, they are also able to hedge the scam for a long time. 1 year, 2 year,
All.
5 years. So how they are able to
Hmm.
hedge that scam? ऐसा उन्होंने क्या किया? ऐसा what kind of strategy they have used that they are able to hedge the scam? Suppose if I do the scam that I take money from your parents, and I know that every
Hmm.
Sunday they will call you, and on that Sunday I send you a message, I call you, And when your parent asks you, Ashish came and take money, and you just say yes. Hmm. So it means that scam
Okay.
can go ahead for years and years, or months on months,
Right.
right? So that is the something that that is the something that is the learning part that people will understand how they are able to manage. And if you don't find
All right.
anything which is learnable, don't write anything. Just leave it blank. That I don't find anything to learnable, right?
Okay, sir.
No. So Prashya, how was your experience doing internship with us? Have you completed the corporate skill improvement program also?
No, sir, that I haven't completed yet.
Okay, so how was the experience so far?
So it has been great. I loved how the program is designed. And I would really want to actually work with the company as an employee also because I loved how the company works.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I was talking to Neha ma'am also. I had sent her a message on LinkedIn. I was really hoping if there's a way we could work it out.
So we have a vacancy right now. We
All
posted
right.
on LinkedIn. Yeah, but
All right. I'll just go on.
that vacancy is for immediate joining.
Yes, I'm available for immediate joining.
Okay, send your CV to Neha again. I'll
All
tell her to
right.
look into it, and then we'll do some interview process on it.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, anybody have any other questions? Anything that they want to discuss first? Hmm?
So can we submit the CSD task before the stated date?
Yeah, you can submit, no problem.
Okay, sir. And so I want to ask the third program. What was we have to do as a task that there is some question and answer. So we have to frame some question and answer or what? I'm
Yes,
not getting that.
I think you should contact Kritika for that, because I think she has created a list of Q&A.
Okay, sir.
And you also need to frame Q&A, because we don't know about your CV, right? We don't know about your personal things. Hmm. So, like, suppose
Okay, sir.
see, the point is, when somebody do an interview, like that's what we explained in smart personal interview preparation, that the interviewer are not interested to select you usually. They are not interested. They are only interested to find a reason to reject you, because they got 500 application and the number of vacancy is only 2. Like same with VC also, for a small position, for a, well, not a small position, for some position we got, I think right now we got 287 applications, and we need to select one, maybe two. So it's very, it's very difficult to select. So what happened that they they will, to reject you, they will use their prime tools in the beginning. अभी आगे जाके बड़ा बड़ा टूल बाद में यूज करेंगे, पहले ही वो प्राइम टूल में दे वांट टू रिजेक्ट. द प्राइम टूल्स आर asking questions related to your personal thing, and asking question related to your CV. Personal Q&A means where you want to see in your 5 years, what is your strength, what is your weakness, tell me about yourself, tell me about academics, what kind of skills you have, what do you have any USP over other candidates, do you, how do you think that you are better for this job, what kind of learning you have gained through your MBA, or if you have done MBA after English graduation, English um, graduation, then what is the benefit of that English graduation in MBA? Or you have done MBA finance after civil engineering, what is the benefit of having civil engineering? So as a छोटे bump मार के, they will try to destroy you, destroy your candidature. Up 90%, the सबसे the weirdest thing is 90% of the candidate, they got trapped in these simple things. Actually, sir, after 5 years, I want to become motivation, not sir. I want to do something for my life and the country, and sir, my parents, and कुछ भी बोलता है, कुछ भी, they will say anything. Tell me about, sir, my biggest weakness is, sir, because I'm an emotional guy, but I'm not so emotional. I'm just emotional. अरे क्या बोल रहे हो यार? Yesterday we had an interview of a guy having BTech mechanical plus MBA. एंड सिंपल, ये सारे सिंपल क्वेश्चन ही जब हमारे एक एग्जीक्यूटिव ने उससे पूछा, एंड ही गॉट ट्रैप्ड. एंड व्हाई पीपल आर गेटिंग ट्रैप्ड? ट्रैप क्यों हो जाता है? ट्रैप, द ओनली रीजन टू पीपल गेट ट्रैप्ड बिकॉज दे हैव नेवर रिहर्स्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. उनको लगता है क्या पूछ लेगा, क्या पूछेगा, जस्ट इंटरव्यू, विल गो इंटरव्यू एंड देन टॉक डायरेक्टली. I'll go into the interview and we'll talk directly. Yes, ये पूछेगा, बोलेगा, जो ही पूछेगा बता देंगे, हाँ ठीक है. They never rehearsed. If you rehearsed कि अगर ये पूछेगा तो ये बोलेंगे, ये पूछेगा तो ये बोलेंगे, then it will be much better. Now they are not able to trap you. You are trapping them. मैं अभी भी तुम सब में से बहुत लोगों से ये क्वेश्चंस पूछूं, तुम में से मतलब I think 80 to 90% people will get trapped. बिकॉज एक नर्वसनेस का इशू तो है ही. पीपल गेट नर्वस इन इंटरव्यूज, दैट्स अ फैक्ट. एनीबडी गेट नर्वस. इंटरव्यू है, इट्स अ जॉब, मनी, सैलरी. इफ आई गेट सेलेक्टेड देन आई विल बी मोर हैप्पी, इफ आई नॉट सेलेक्टेड. तो एक नर्वसनेस का इशू है, राइट? एंड यू हैव नेवर रिहर्स्ड. So that's why those Q&A is related to that. So that's why it is my request to all of you guys, along with this internship, do this corporate skill improvement program. There are 3 programs: corporate skill development, pre-placement training, and corporate smart personal interview preparation. You do that program and then come back to us and say कि sir बेकार है, कुछ of no use. I'll take that as a feedback. But do it. It's very, very important. Okay, let's go to our discussion. Okay, about HR internship. All right, in Smart Task 2 of HR internship, in this test written very clearly, in this task the intern needs to select one project from the list and find an area of analysis, then do the extensive research and list the point. The area of analysis can be college or city state. The research can be done through a small sample questionnaire or self-assessment, right? And 3 project है यहाँ पे. First project is issues in internship and corporate strategy, corporate training of students. Listing and communications, listing and communication about VC internship, shortlisting, interview and selection process. इन तीनों में से from all these 3 projects you need to select one. Suppose you selected issues in internship and corporate training in for students. Okay, and when you selected this and then do a research. Research can be done कि अगर तुम एक कॉलेज लेते हो, अपनी सिटी लेते हो, और एनी स्टेट कॉलेज ही ले लिया स्मॉल, कि मैं आई एम स्टडिंग इन गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी. तो गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी में 2000 स्टूडेंट है, तो इस कॉलेज के हिसाब से आई विल डू द रिसर्च एंड गेट बैक टू यू, राइट? कुछ लोग बड़ा सिटी लेते, पूरा जयपुर, पूरा ये. सपोज यू हैव टेकन वन कॉलेज. रिसर्च कैन बी डन बाई सैम्पल क्वेश्चनर. तुम क्वेश्चनर लोगों को पूछो क्या डाउट है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ये है वो. और बाय सेल्फ असेसमेंट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट कॉलेज, तो यू कैन डू ए सेल्फ असेसमेंट. जैसे कि मैं तुमसे पूछूं कि अच्छा गलगोटिया में क्या है, मतलब क्या प्लेसमेंट वगैरह है, तो पीपल कैन से ना कि सर प्लेसमेंट इज गुड, बट द ओनली प्रॉब्लम इन द प्लेसमेंट इज द टीपीओ इज नॉट गुड, द टीपीओ टीम इज नॉट गुड, or the placement is very good, but the civil engineering guys doesn't get very placed, the training is not get, everybody is not getting proper internships. They are getting the internship related to sales and marketing, that is of useless. ऐसा कुछ करके आएगा. तो ऐसा एक 2 पेज का राइटअप बनाओ. दैट इज द मॉड्यूल 2 ऑफ HR इंटर्नशिप. तीनों में से एक सेलेक्ट करना. ओके, एनी अदर डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चंस?
Sir, I want to know the chapters we have to cover in this report.
It is not a report, it's just 2-pager, 3-pager. Like whatever your findings are, make findings and just write कि हमारा findings ये है, this is the findings we have discussed, this is our research analysis, our research area was this and blah blah. Make it simple, make it light. The only purpose of for this task is to make you think like an HR manager. जैसे कि suppose your college hired you as a HR, human resource. अब कॉलेज ने बोला कि तो ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट इज समथिंग एल्स, राइट? ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट वाले क्या करते हैं, दे कम्युनिकेट विद द कॉर्पोरेट, कॉर्पोरेट आता है, उनको बस कम्युनिकेट करना है, कनेक्ट करना है कॉर्पोरेट को स्टूडेंट से, स्टूडेंट कॉर्पोरेट से। अब स्टूडेंट कितना भला हुआ नहीं हुआ उससे मतलब नहीं उनको, यूजुअली नहीं होता, राइट? बट एज ए HR, एज ए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट पर्सन, एज ए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स गाय, द ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उनको क्या इश्यूज आ रहा है एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व दोज इश्यूज, दैट इज द टास्क ऑफ एन HR, राइट? तो उसके हिसाब से सोचने के लिए दैट्स द थिंग। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मार्केटिंग इंटर्नशिप। In Smart Task, to prepare a summary report related to basics of relationship management, its components and important effective ways, and all other information related to relationship management for an effective marketing plan. First of all, for marketing internship, there are two videos are there. Watch those 2 videos in our online training portal. 4 modules है लेकिन videos 2 ही है, तो एक मॉड्यूल का आधा, एक वीडियो का आधा फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में आ गया, सेकंड पार्ट इज द सेकंड मॉड्यूल। एनीवे 2 वीडियोस है, वॉच दोस 2 वीडियोस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उस वीडियो में बताया गया है कि इन दैट वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड that to become a very good, to prepare a very nice marketing plan, there are 2 things most important. The first thing is corporate communication, very important part. If you want to become a marketing person, your corporate communication skills should be very good. Second part is relationship management. So we have discussed about relationship management in that video. Watch that video please, and you also go through the links and go to YouTube and all and watch the relationship management videos. Okay, and then make a list that how relationship management is important and how you can effectively do the relationship management. Okay, so there are few points that I want to discuss because it's a training session, right? So how to maintain relationship. Okay, what are the basic points of maintaining a good relationship corporate wise? Anybody who is doing marketing? No issues. Nobody have any answers, then no problem. So the first part of having a good relationship is that the good communication. Your communication channels will be open. You are easily reachable, right? Suppose there are so many companies, when you find out their website, the first part is you should be easily reachable. बहुत सारे वेबसाइट है, बट बहुत सारी कंपनीज है वेबसाइट ही नहीं है, वेबसाइट है तो नंबर नहीं है, नंबर है तो ईमेल है बट ईमेल रीचेबल नहीं। when somebody send an email they are not replying, मोबाइल नंबर they don't want to share, then they search on LinkedIn पे वो लोग नहीं मिल रहा है, very hard to reach, right? जैसे कि हम लोगों ने अपने in VC we created a website, small simple website, VC का वेबसाइट हमारा, उसमें जो भी कोर टीम है उसका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल लिंक, उसका विजिटिंग कार्ड, सब कुछ हमने डाल रखा है। वो तुरंत क्लिक करता है हमारे लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पर चला जाता है, तुरंत मुझे मैसेज कर देता है सर आई एम इंटरेस्टेड दिस दैट ब्ला ब्ला, एंड वी डू रीड देयर मैसेजेस एंड रिप्लाई। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट ये कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशनशिप का पहला चीज है कि कम्युनिकेशन चैनल शुड बी ओपन। You should be easily reachable. Suppose you are looking for a job. अभी तुम बाकी छोड़ दो, अभी इस कंपनी में तुम काम कर रहे हो मार्केटिंग प्लान. If you are looking for a job, so you need to market yourself, right? When you market yourself, so first of all you should be very good reachable होना चाहिए बंदा. So CV में नंबर वगैरह सब. A lot of time female candidates put the number of their parents in the CV and all. When somebody try to reach them, the parents start, वो बार बार पूछते हैं क्या क्यों क्यों बात करना है आपको उनसे, क्यों बात. तो people get scared. यार हर आदमी तो like bad intention से कॉल नहीं कर रहा ना. कुछ लोग करते हैं. I'm not saying everybody is nice, but वहां पे एक इशू है. तो रीचेबल तो चलो मोबाइल नहीं तो एटलीस्ट ईमेल शुड बी फाइन, कि हाँ ईमेल डाला है बट मैं ईमेल चेक ही नहीं करता या करती. अचानक से तुमको अचानक ईमेल भेज दिया, तुम ईमेल चेक कर रहे हो, तुम्हें टाइम लग जा रहा है. इसको स्मूथ करो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, एटलीस्ट 50 to 60% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स का ये स्मूथ नहीं होता. उनका कभी व्हाट्सएप में इशू है, ईमेल में इशू है. ईमेल जो डाला वो यूज नहीं करते, जो यूज करते वो डाला नहीं. 4 ईमेल है, जिसमें भेज दिया उसमें 50 to 60% आर नॉट रीचेबल. लिंक्डइन पे अभी उसको 15 लोग भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको कोई फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट नहीं भेज सकता. फॉलो करो, मैसेज करोगे तो उसमें लिंक्डइन सिक्योरिटी डाल रखा है. नोबडी कैन मैसेज यू ऑन लिंक्डइन. The second part of relationship, corporate relationship की बात कर रहा हूं. I'm not talking about personal relation. Second part is related to how well your profile is. ठीक है, communication है, but profile तो अच्छा होना चाहिए. Right? People are looking for job, people looking for business, but वो अपने प्रोफाइल में अदानी और अंबानी को बहुत गाली दिए हुए हैं. Right? They are so much of anti activities and all, वो सब बहुत कुछ शेयर कर रखा है. People don't want to deal with those people. People want to deal with a fresh, nice thing. So avoid that kind of profiling. So these are the two things I discussed. There are other things already discussed in the videos. Watch that video and you'll get to know a lot of things. And next module you can ask questions. So anybody have any questions related to marketing internship module 2?
No, sir.
It's okay. So let's discuss about the module 2 of climate change and sustainable development. Okay. In this module, the interns need to go through all the international agreements signed till now, till in detail, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, etc. They have to find out post signing the agreement what are the changes and how much is in the various countries. See, one thing I would like to tell you guys, this is very, very important. See, our country is growing, population wise also, mindset wise also. There was a time 15 years ago, so if you are not able to talk in English, you are unemployable. तुम काम के ही बंदे नहीं, English बोलो, right? But now things and mindset is changing. Now people are valuing those people, even though they are not able to speak in English, but they have good knowledge and they can do the work. They are valuing that. That is why a lot of people are creating YouTube channels. There are a lot of big CEOs, MDs. They are creating YouTube channels and talking in Hindi. So that is my request and that is my suggestion to all of you guys, that suppose Kyoto Protocol Treaty, you search on Google Kyoto Protocol, तुमने पढ़ा, तुम्हें बोरिंग लगने लगा, क्या था Kyoto Protocol, कौन क्या तुमने पढ़ा, लेकिन important is you should understand Kyoto Protocol Treaty कहाँ से है. There are so many other people who have explained very nicely Kyoto Protocol Treaty in Hindi. Watch that. पेरिस एग्रीमेंट क्या हुआ था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने साइन क्यों नहीं किया, ग्रेटा थंबर्ग वहां पहुंच के क्या करने लगी? ग्रेटा थंबर्ग। UNFCCC क्या होता है? IPCC क्या है? सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट प्रैक्टिसेस इंडिया में क्या है? व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स? अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट rather than writing the answers कि हाँ यहाँ से प्रोटोकॉल तो यहाँ से उठाया लिख दिया, वहां से उठाया लिख, नहीं, अंडरस्टैंड करो। बिकॉज इफ यू बिकम ए कंसल्टेंट रिलेटेड टू सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एंड पीपल आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, तो उस समय तुमको सर कुछ था, मतलब क्योटो क्योटो कुछ प्रोटोकॉल कुछ था, या क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल थे, एनेक्सर 1 एनेक्सर 2। अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड देन answer these 4 questions and that's it, your module 2. These are treaty signed, right? Anybody have any questions related to module 2 of climate change and sustainable development? Anything that you don't understand?
No, sir.
Very good. Doubt ही नहीं है तुम लोगों को। No problem. Yes.
Sir, I don't have doubt regarding the module 2, but in industrial case problem statement, I mean as a final report which we have to submit, so I have concern regarding that. So is
Yeah.
it right time to ask
Yes,
that
ask,
doubt or?
no problem, you can ask.
Okay.
Tell me.
So sir, in that study case problem statement, there are, I mean, 2 sections in which we have to subject one. I mean, we have to subject one problem in that 2. So one is related to Bihar state, and we have to tell about the climate change issues and sustainable development practices regarding the Bihar.
Yeah, so you
So
can
I
change
mean,
it to another state. Yes.
Yes, sir. So my concern is that, I mean, in sustainable development, there are a lot of concerns, na, like poverty and unemployment, then water-related problem, then
See, try to understand.
yeah.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is socio-economic issues.
Okay.
You said how does it relate to sustainable development?
No, sir, but the SDGs goal, I mean, the first goal is only the poverty, and I mean, there are 17 goals, and each goal is bind up with so many problems. So,
No,
I mean,
understand, but
for the whole,
see, sustainable development goals of the country and what is
yes, sir.
sustainable development happening in for this internship, it is might be different, right?
Okay.
कंट्री ने क्या किया, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स ऐसा वैसे बनाया कि दे एडेड देयर सोशियो इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज ऑल्सो।
राइट सर।
उनका कहना था कि हम लोग, मतलब सपोज मैं तुमसे कहूँ कि दीपक, तुम एक काम करो, यू डू योगा, ठीक?
ओके।
यू डू योगा, यू डू लॉट ऑफ सदगुरु का भाषण सुनो, काइंड ऑफ, राइट? तो at some point of time you will come back and say कि सर आपने योगा होगा बोला, लेकिन मेरा तो पहला क्राइम कंसर्न है कि आई विल गेट अ जॉब।
राइट सर।
मेरे को जॉब मिले, रोजगार, मुझे जॉब मिले, मुझे कुछ सैलरी आए, आई गेट सम सोशल क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सेप्टेंस दैट दीपक इज डूइंग समथिंग, उसके बाद मैं योगा होगा कर लूंगा।
राइट सर।
So even though yoga is important and Sadhguru is also good important, but still you will say, but the same thing like Indian government think कि अगर हम sustainable development को ऐसे लाद देंगे states पे, तो स्टेट बोलेगा ना कि सर ये क्या सस्टेनेबल, क्या ग्रीनरी, हमारे यहाँ तो लोगों के पास खाना ही नहीं खाने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सेस नहीं है, पहले ऐसा कुछ करो ना कि ये सब भी उसमें थोड़ा ऐड कर दिया जाए। तो गवर्नमेंट ने प्लान बनाया, लेकिन तुमको गवर्नमेंट के लिए नहीं सोचना, तुम्हें गवर्नमेंट के लिए सोचना है कि क्या कर रहा है, बट यू आल्सो नीड टू डू थिंक अबाउट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फॉर कॉर्पोरेट्स, जो रियल सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट है। जैसे कि सपोज यू ज्वाइंड ए कंपनी कॉल एनी कंपनी, जस्ट सपोज नॉट अ वेरी बिग कंपनी, सपोज एडिडास, या चेन्नई में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, कार का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगाया, एंड यू आर सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफिसर। उसको क्या मतलब कि चेन्नई के लोगों को पानी मिल रहा नहीं मिल रहा, उसे हटाओ अभी। वो बोलेगा कि हमारा सस्टेनेबिलिटी बजट है 10 करोड़ रुपीस पर ईयर,
Right, sir.
एंड इन दैट 10 crore rupees दीपक डू समथिंग कि इतना थोड़ा बहुत मोटा रिपोर्ट बने, 300-400 पेज का रिपोर्ट बने कि इस साल सस्टेनेबिलिटी के ऊपर कंपनी ने खर्चा किया एंड कंपनी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
Yes, sir.
दे टॉक लाइक दैट. सॉरी, तुम लोग को लगेगा कि सर ये क्या बोलने लगे, कॉर्पोरेट में ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, लेकिन ऐसा ही होता है. सॉरी टू से.
Yes,
बोलेंगे
sir.
ऐसा
Definitely.
ऐसा कुछ डू समथिंग 10 करोड़ में कि रिपोर्ट थोड़ा मोटा बने. अब देखो लोग क्या करते हैं उसमें, पीपल, जैसे कि अब तुमने क्या किया, बोला कि सर इसमें आप एक 50 किलोवाट का सोलर पावर प्लांट लगा दीजिए इस गांव में. तो दे विल नॉट
Yes, sir.
राइट इन द रिपोर्ट कि पहला सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट वर्क पर 50 किलोवाट पावर प्लांट लग गया सोलर का इस गांव के अंदर. वो राइट करेंगे दे आर लाइटिंग 100 homes,
Yes, sir.
changing the life of 500 people, underprivileged, giving them access to electricity.
Right, sir.
50 किलोवाट का कितना खर्चा आता होगा? एक किलोवाट का खर्चा 50,000 रुपए, 50 किलोवाट का 25 लाख रुपए. लेकिन 25 लाख में उसने इतना बड़ा बना दिया, फोटो वोटो, बच्ची लोग शाम को पढ़ रही है, लाइट जल रहा है, सोलर स्ट्रीट लाइट लगा दिया.
Right, sir.
तो तुमको उस टाइप से सीखना है कि हम हाउ कैन वी डू द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट, कि उनको सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट भी उनका हो और तुम्हारा भी थोड़ा फायदा हो जाए. इट्स गुड आल्सो फॉर द कंट्री.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Okay, so we are discussing about the Smart Task 2 of case study analysis. So in this Smart Task 2, we have given 3 case type. It is written very clearly, so you can read what you need to do. Case type: success, failure, and scam cases. There are 8 case studies. You need to pick one from success, one from failure, and one from scam. जैसे महिंद्रा सत्यम का स्कैम था. And तुमको एक short, brief case study बनाना है. Not like a long case study. And that brief case study, you need to answer these questions. First of all, you need to read about them on Google, Facebook, and बहुत सारे case study websites you need to go through and read about them. And then prepare a brief case study. 4-5 pages maximum. Okay. Now my question is that people ask from the day one when he started this case study, why we study scam case studies? That I already explained to Prasha, that scam case study we study because people are, it's very difficult to understand what is exactly scam is. Scam is not fraud. Suppose मैंने तुम लोगों से, suppose if there is a travel company, they told you that you please book the travel your tickets from my company and we will give you 20% discount. तुमने 20% डिस्काउंट के चक्कर में टिकट बुक किया एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम्स उसने वो बोला कि बस टिकट बुक कर लिया एंड आफ्टर दैट द ट्रैवल कंपनी क्लोज्ड. देवेंद्र, स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट द ट्रैवल कंपनी इज क्लोज्ड एंड दे रन अवे. पैसा लेके भाग गया. इवन दो दे हैव रन अवे विथ योर 100 rupees और 10,000 rupees, दैट इज अ फ्रॉड, कंप्लीटली फ्रॉड. तुम पुलिस में जाओगे, बोलोगे फ्रॉड हो गया, फ्रॉड हो गया, फ्रॉड हो गया, राइट? अब क्या है कि ये फ्रॉड है, जो कि बहुत सिंपल है. मैंने तुमको एक वादा किया, तुमसे पैसा ले लिया, तुम पैसा को वो डिलीवरेबल्स प्रोवाइड नहीं किया, ये फ्रॉड है. एंड प्लीज डोंट थिंक दैट कि मैं तुम लोग को स्कैम करने पे वो कर रहा हूँ, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रेटेजी. अब स्कैम क्या होता है? स्कैम इज दैट कि मैंने तुम सबको बोला कि बाय टिकट फ्रॉम माय कंपनी, 50% डिस्काउंट. Everybody come and buy tickets from my company and we give them confirmed ticket. तुम confirmed ticket में गए, फ्लाइट से चढ़े, वहां उतर गए, तुम घर आ गए. तुमको लगा वाओ इट इज वेरी नाइस सर्विस, तुम अगली बार भी परचेज करने हैं. तो वो कभी भी ऐसा कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि दिस कंपनी इज डूइंग समथिंग शेडी. सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा है, क्या गलत कर रहा है? कुछ नहीं, 50% डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, राइट? देन पीपल विल फाइंड आउट कि उस 50% डिस्काउंट से आपका जो डेटा है वो उसने लीक कर दिया, या फिर उसने उस 50% डिस्काउंट से जो आप फ्लाइट में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं उस फ्लाइट में जो फूड था वो बहुत महंगा दे दिया था आपको, या फिर कुछ और समथिंग समथिंग समथिंग, वो बाद में पता चलेगा। तो जो नॉर्मल पब्लिक होता है उसको कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि देयर इज सम फ्रॉड गोइंग ऑन। इसीलिए स्कैम हमेशा बड़े सिस्टमैटिक लूप होल्स में होते हैं। इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन ए बिग सिस्टमैटिक लूप होल। नॉर्मल जैसे कि हर्षद मेहता क्या स्कैम करता था, नॉर्मल पब्लिक को क्या पता चलेगा? बैंक से एक बैंक से पैसा लिया, 14 दिन उस पैसे को होल्ड कर सकता है, 14 दिन में उसने स्टॉक खरीदा, स्टॉक को पंप, इतना ज्यादा पैसा है कि स्टॉक थोड़ा पंप हो गया, 14 दिन के बाद बेच करके वही पैसा रिटर्न कर दिया बैंक को। तो अगर इफ यू आर अ नॉर्मल पर्सन, तो तुमने बैंक का पैसा लेके स्टॉक में लगा के बैंक को रिटर्न कर दिया, उसने स्कैम क्या किया? कुछ नहीं। ऐसा सॉरी, इसने फ्रॉड क्या किया? कुछ भी नहीं। वो बैंक लेकर पैसा लेके भाग तो नहीं गया ना। बट देन बस जब ये पैसा बहुत बढ़ता गया, देन पीपल गो थ्रू एंड से सर कि बैंक का पैसा स्टॉक में नहीं लगा सकता है, ही शुड होल्ड दैट मनी विथ हिमसेल्फ। अपने पास रखता लेकिन लगाता नहीं था स्टॉक में। और कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि बिना रिसिप्ट के उसको पैसा मिल गया। तो मतलब ये थोड़ा स्कैम टाइप का हुआ, लोग नॉर्मल पब्लिक को समझ में नहीं आया, बड़े लोगों को समझ में आया, और वो पूरी तरह से फ्रॉड भी नहीं था। दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि एक्चुअल में स्कैम कैसे हो रहा है। जैसे कि महिंद्रा सत्यम, व्हेन यू गो थ्रू द केस स्टडी यू फाइंड आउट कि एक्चुअल में उन्होंने कोई स्कैम किया नहीं था, मतलब फ्रॉड ऐसा कुछ किया, किसी का पैसा लेके भागा नहीं था। उनका पूरा सिस्टम था कि हम लोग एक लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी को खरीद करके जो यहाँ हम लॉस दिखा रहे हैं वो उसको वहां पे मतलब फिल कर देंगे, ए को बी से फिल कर दिया। पूरा सिस्टम उनका सही था, लेकिन बीच में एक गलत ईमेल की वजह से दे गॉट कॉट कि वो एक बड़ा स्कैम कर रहे थे। तो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स आई थिंक दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड द स्कैम केस स्टडी, so that how they find out the loopholes in the system and how they are able to maintain that scam for so long. जैसे कि तेलगी स्कैम था, इट इज वन ऑफ द माय फेवरेट स्कैम, मतलब स्कैम भी क्या फेवरेट है, स्टैम्प पेपर स्कैम। ठीक है, उसने स्टैम्प पेपर लूप होल कैसे निकाला कि नासिक में स्टैम्प पेपर प्रिंट होता था, हर 25 साल में स्टैम्प पेपर मशीन को डिस्ट्रॉय करके बेच दिया जाता था। He go and buy that old machine. He go and bought that. Everybody understand Hindi also, right? So that I will convert in English also. You go and buy that old machine. और उसको कहीं और छुपा के वहां पे स्टैम्प पेपर छापना शुरू कर दिया। That time it was not e-stamp paper, in 1996 का टाइम है, एक्चुअली स्टैम्प पेपर। तो ये एक फ्लॉ निकाला उसने सिस्टम में, वो एक्चुअल स्टैम्प पेपर छापने लगा विद द एक्चुअल मशीन। It was not a fudgy stamp paper, it's a real stamp paper. But the revenue collected from the stamp paper is going to him, telling. लेकिन how he has sustained from 1996 to 2007? क्योंकि उसने ये दिमाग लगाया कि if we sell this stamp paper to local public, तो क्या होगा कि तुरंत पकड़ में आ जाएगा कि स्टैम्प पेपर कहां से आ रहा है, कैसे। तो ही थिंक कि नहीं, हम लोग सिर्फ बड़े बड़े कंपनीज को ये स्टैम्प पेपर सेल करेंगे, वो भी उस कंपनीज को जहां पे एक बार स्टैम्प पेपर पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन हो जाता है, फिर वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बंद होके फाइल में रखा जाता है। तो ही सिलेक्टेड इंश्योरेंसेस। छोटा स्टैम्प पेपर का डेजिग्नेशन वो कभी छापता नहीं था, इंश्योरेंस को पकड़ा, ऐसे 10-12 साल निकल गए, 3-4 हजार करोड़ का पूरा घोटाला हो गया, स्कैम हो गया। Anyway, so prepare that. So anybody have any questions related to case study analysis? है किसी को? So let's discuss about the fifth, that is project management infrastructure.
So one question I have.
Yeah, Kritika.
I was asking that, what is the word limit? Like how long can our answers go?
500 words
Per question, na?
per
Per
question.
question, per
Per
case.
question, per question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Kritika.
Including all the three cases or only one case, like
No, no, no.
500 words per.
Per question, per case.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Project management infra, there is videos related to project management in our online training portal. So watch that. That is very important. Second thing, let's go to the modules and tasks. So वो video तो देखना ही है आपको. And these are the reference video that also you need to watch. Let's talk about Smart Task 2. Make a list of skills that you need. Anyone can performing the works of infrastructure project management. Create a sample project charter for a housing real estate project. Okay, there are two simple questions. Watch those videos, find out these answers. The idea behind this whole task is that you make a very extensive list of the infrastructure project management of the skills. लिस्ट बनाने से क्या होगा कि हाँ ये स्किल है. Important is when you write those skills A B C D E F G H इतना सारा skills 1 2 3 4 5 10 skills, then you need to match that skills with yourself in your mind. पहले skill बनाया, then match from A to B. अच्छा ये skill पहला skill है कि the guy should be like this. Okay, so if I am that of that skill, if I am like that also or not. Second thing is the guy should be like this. Third skill, that guy should be उसको ये भी आना चाहिए वो भी आना चाहिए. तो क्या मुझे वो हर स्किल्स आते हैं या नहीं आते, ये मैच करना बहुत जरूरी है. इसीलिए इस टास्क को शॉर्ट रखा गया है that people should start thinking about those skills. स्किल्स तो लिख दिया बट मुझे पास वो है नहीं. So how I can improve that skill? How can I get that skill with me? This is very, very important. Okay. Sample project charter, how to make project charter, you can search on Google, that mission, objective and all these things related to the project. So that is related to project and housing, real estate housing project. Now in modules and tasks, there is also, we have shared a faculty notes of project management. One of the faculties who taught me project management when I was in college, so he have given me these notes. Okay, so and this is very extensive related to infrastructure only. So since he is an old faculty, he don't have much knowledge about PPT and all. So these slides are not very decorated, but the knowledge in these slides is very good. So it is my request that all of you guys should go through these slides. Okay, go through these slides. You can download these slides and make the slides look good as per your convenience, but the knowledge is good. So anybody have any questions related to project management infra? Anybody have any other questions? Any कोई भी ऐसा question related to career, related to corporate task, internship? Hello? Anybody have any questions? क्या तुम क्वेश्चन बहुत कम पूछते हो यार. When I was when I was in your age, I have a lot of questions in my life. I didn't get answers properly. अभिषेक मातो.
यस सर. सर एक
मॉड्यूल 2 में कोई क्वेश्चन है?
यस सर. सर वो एचआर मैनेजमेंट वाले में पूछना था सर.
बोलो.
कैसे करना है सर वो एक बार बता दीजिए कैसे करना है, मतलब एचआर मैनेजमेंट वाले में।
कैसे करना है मतलब अभी तो बताया ना मैंने आपको।
सर एचआर मैनेजमेंट का जो
हाँ
मॉड्यूल टास्क स्टोर।
एक सेकंड। ये एचआर मैनेजमेंट का है कि इन तीनों प्रोजेक्ट में से कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट को चूज करो, राइट, एंड एक प्रोजेक्ट को चूज करो एंड अपना कोई भी एरिया ऑफ एनालिसिस सेलेक्ट करो और इस प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड 2-4 पेज का एक रिपोर्ट बना दो।
ओके सर।
थिंक एज एन एचआर मैनेजर। और ये पूरे कॉल का रिकॉर्डिंग भी होगा, तो यू कैन गो थ्रू व्हाट आई टोल्ड इन द बिगनिंग।
ओके सर। और सर वो सबमिट वैसे ही करना है ना जो आपने वो डॉक्स एक सम। सर मुझे एक डॉक्स दे रखा है जैसे जिसमें मतलब अपनी नेम ईमेल
हाँ
आईडी और जो
वैसे
एक
आप
टास्क।
अपना भी तुम चाहो तो बना सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। स्नेहा।
ओके सर।
ओके स्नेहा, एनी क्वेश्चंस?
No, sir, not for now.
ओके विद्या।
Yes, sir. So no doubt.
Okay guys, it's very nice interacting with you. Pay attention, go through the modules and tasks, search on Google, try to gain more and more knowledge to yourself. But that knowledge is gonna work for you. That is the biggest asset you can gain right now.